Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Today I have a challenge lock and it's called Devil's Reef, and it is pinned by Starrylock, and he pinned this on May 21st, and I think it's this year. Can't see unless I take this plastic cover off. Here's the bidding on the key. Very nice one. 6 pins. I've gotten nowhere with this lock so far, so I'm going to give it a whirl. Hopefully I'll get it on camera. Decided to use a pry bar and 50 thousandths and my special pick from Wes Picks, and see if I can get somewhere with this thing. I know this lock can bind up and go absolutely nowhere. Just goes dead, and no matter what you do, you're not going to get it to do anything. Okay, so I've got to click there on 3, and I'm hoping that doesn't wind up, and that's with absolutely no pressure on it. I don't believe it, I just got it open. Alright, let's see what's in here. I'm taking it too. Alrighty. Oops. Knocking everything all over. Alright, let's see. Do you have the key? So I'm just going to lock it up. And we gotta get the back off. I don't know if this is going to fit. We'll see. It is. Good. Yeah, I've got my tray upside down. I'm not going to take this out of the... not going to take the kick out. I'm just going to go ahead and gut it this way. Nothing wrong with that. And guess this one will work. I can get this underneath there. I know there's some crazy pins in there. I can get the shim under it. There it goes. Alrighty. Cool. There we are. And like I mentioned, there is 6 pins in this lock. And it looks like he's got a really nice, couple of really nice key pins in there. Yeah, cylinder stock. And let's see here. Right there it is. Get the little shim out of there. I do with my glasses? Much better. Ooh-wee. Oh, that's a big one. Very big one. Wow. They put some work into these pens. Tell you that much. Different springs too. Okay, let's go to the other end. Okay, one more pin. Very nicely done. There. And that is all stock inside. Devil's Reef. Do you see these pins that Starrylock has made? It's fun making these. I've made 4 locks so far and made the pins. It was really fun making them. I need to get busy and make some more, but I have been busy. Okay, 1 and 2 standard key pins. Number 3, Starrylock made into a really nice spool. Oh gosh, am I in frame? I'm sorry. Let's see. Forgot to zoom in. I'm so busy. Okay. See if I can get everything in there. Looks like everything's in there. I hope that it's okay. Didn't think my camera looked quite as sharp as it has been, so I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, back to the pins. Number 4 standard. Number 5 is another spool on top. Oops, jumped over there. And back to this third one here. It's really sharp at the top. You can just really feel it. And this one here has got 2 serrations before it drops into a spool. Man, this one here has 1, 2, 3, 4 serrations. Very sharp edges. Okay, drivers. Turn this around. It's a very skinny spool on top. Really light serrations in the skinny part of the spool. And this one here is another skinny spool. Very sharp bottom on the end. Number 3, driver is standard. Number 4 is a serrated pin. Lots of serrations all the way down. Very nicely done. And number 5 has a real short little bottom on it. I don't know what you call that, but I'm sure that doesn't help matters any. And number 6 has a little serrated and goes into a point. Now all the springs seem to be different. I take it back. 3 and 5 are similar, and 2, 4, and 6 are similar, and this one's totally different there. Anyway, so that gives you a different feeling when you're picking the lock as well. Okay, so again, this is Starrylock's Devil's Reef. Got that picked out of the way. Cool. Time for another, huh? Thank you for joining me, and I appreciate everybody tuning in and supporting my channel. Have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye-bye.